I love the fact that our shul goes back to 1888, and since that time it has reinvented itself and moved a number of times to be relevant to the future of South Africa.
So my family has been connected to the history of Great Park for many years. Back when it was Walmeren's shul, my family attended the shul then, and throughout the years we've been connected in various different ways.
Like I remember Rosh Hashanah walking from Yeovil all the way with my father and the two sisters and brother, all the way to shul.
So I think what makes it so special for me, what really warms my heart about this community, yes, it is our spiritual home. And I lost my mother 5 years ago, I lost my father 5 months ago. It's one of the main reasons why I come to shul. It's our spiritual home. But the gift that they've given to me is a bigger community. I've lost 2 family members, but I've gained so many other people in my life.
And in that time, I've grown to love our community, the warmth and the strength that I feel in the people of our community.
But probably the thing I love the most is the choir, just being able to listen to the way they're so passionate about the way they sing.
On a Friday evening, to be able to come sit in these incredibly uncomfortable pews next to my father, sit down and relax for the first time.
I love the community, I love the new friends that I've made, I love that my kids feel very comfortable here.
The people, having come to the shul about 8 years ago, having moved to the area.
I think that the shul is a place that celebrates both the good times, Chagim, Shabbat, celebrations, bar mitzvahs, bat mitzvahs, births, but also is there in times of bereavement, in times of sadness. It's a place of refuge, it's a place of connecting with Hashem.
We build our community through our youth, and our vision is to become modern, to become contemporary.
Great Park is a shul with a heart. It doesn't just appeal to its own members, it appeals to both the broader Jewish community and society as a large.
We create leaders. People who come here are inspired. No matter what they participate in, there is a stirring and an enthusiasm to grow.
This community is the most wonderful, vibrant community. And if you've ever been here, whoever has been here has been touched by this community.
So this is my home. I mean, thanks to the chairman and the rabbi, it's always been a home for me, and I've been to many shuls over many years. In the future, this is a place for bar mitzvahs for me, for my kids.
I am Clive Blechman, remembering, reinventing, and redefining.
I'm Sarah Hoffman, remembering, reinventing, redefining.
I am Rabbi Dovid Hazdan, remembering, reinventing, and redefining.
I'm Raylene Tradonsky, remembering, reinventing, redefining.
I'm Howard Sommerfeld, remembering, reinventing, redefining.
We are the Levites, remembering, reinventing, and redefining.
I'm Goldie Simpson, remembering, reinventing, redefining.
We are the Emmanuels, remembering, reinventing, redefining.
I'm Howard Saxteen, remembering, reinventing, and redefining.
I'm Greg Solomon, remembering, reinventing, and redefining.